Downloading, install na ng Shopee. PH. I just need one ring light. Kaya mag-i-install ako ng Shopee online shop. 66%. Oh, 46 MB. Konti lang pala siya. Oh, wait. I need one ring light. So, I just used my account. Google account for everything. Kaya yata napupuno yung Google account ko eh. Dapat naka-off yung mga notifications ng iba. Shopee online. This app may share these data types with third parties, location, personal info, and 5 others. This app may connect to this data. 4.3, a great app to get functional. Feature often unavailable in real-life stores. Yes, far cheaper. Okay, I'm going to open na. 1 minute, I'll be opening. Oh, 1 minute to install. But before I just search the app. Yan. 1. Oops. August 16 payday. Sige. Allow Shopee access the device while using the app. So I'm going to look for send money and win 1 million. So paano yan? Is new user offers free gift. Oh, shop now. I'm shopping now. Ano yung gift? 150 off, new user only. 150 off, minimum spend of 500. Minimum spend of 70. 100% off with minimum spend of 70. I-claim ko to. Oh, Google. Continue with Google. Continue with Google account ako. What's happening? Alright. Free shipping discounts. Hanap sa live. Meron na. Ano daw yun? Anong meron sa live? May Shopee live? What's this? Mura. Ah, naka-live sila. Ooh, naka-live tong mga to. Hindi ko alam. One notification. Hi, love lines. Get 100% off or free shipping. Discount voucher at 0 minutes. Spend on your first voucher. Go shopping na nga ako. I'm going to shopping. So, I'm going to search. So, dito ba ako mag-search? Ayun. Search ako. Ring light lang. I need to get a ring light. Ring light. Okay. So, 20%. 95 to 185. 100% original. 10 inches. RK 18 inches. Ayan. So, hanap na ako ng ring light. Balitaan ko kayo later. Hanap ako dito sa top sales. Yung mura. Top sales eh. Relevance top sales price. Tingnan ko yung price. Ayun. By category. Rating 5 stars. Pwede pala yun. Price. Tingnan natin ang price. Pinakamura. Price. Price down. Lowest. Ay. Mahal nila. Yung mababa. 695. Ano to? 26 cm, 5% off. 9K sold. Pinakamalaki na yung 26 cm. Anong sizes nito? Big. Pang cellphone. 6 inches. Hindi pwede. By size. So, hanap tayo ng malaki-laki. Top sales. 920 pesos. Tatlong cellphone ang panilagay. May ganun. Anyway, hanap ako. Tingnan ko to. Ito August 15, 16 only. Ito nga, 218K sold sa Nicolas, Metro Manila. Let me see. 90% off. 95 to 185. Ano yung add-on deal? Lowest price guaranteed. Found a cheaper option. Claim for free coins. What's that? Flash start at 4 p.m. August 16. Ha? Hindi ko siya maintindihan. 185 add-on deals. Add-ons. 134. What does it mean? Shopee guarantee. Select variation model. 10 inches. Topics 335 original. 95 original 100%. Ano yung ibig sabihin mo? 100% original KDFM 10 inches cameras, selfie with LED ring light, photo studio photography with tripod stand and phone holder. Best feature maliwanag, value for money, affordable, product quality good. Okay. Best feature, malaki yung stand, working ang ring light, value for money. Exceed the word for stars. Sige. 10 to 26, 58K sold. Tingnan ko to. Paano siya titingnan? May ring light. Ayun. Original KBFM 10-inch 26cm selfie light ring light, photo studio and photography. Ano to? LED ring light with cell phone holder. Ganun. Lowest price guarantee. Claim for what does it mean? Add-on deal. 95. Ito lang ang kailangan ko. Ito lang. Sabay ito lang. Ito lang. I need this one. Really need this one. So, it's 95 to 185. 20% free shipping. Minimum spend up to 49. Ay, hindi ako mag-free shipping. Shop vouchers. Pay later. Buy now, pay later. What does it mean? Hindi ako marunong mag-shopping. Oh my gulay. I'm gonna shop that one. And about this one, Smiley 16 centimeters. Ayaw ko na. Gusto ko yung 26 centimeters. na. Ayan. 8.19. So, 19 ang deliver nito. What do you call this? This. Yung aking ring light, which is pay order total, please pay 178 upon delivery. Okay. Let's see. Parcel has departed.